Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change straps on Apple Watch SE 3. First of all, you have to turn your watch upside down and place it on the soft, smooth surface so that it doesn't slide on it, and you can safely press your Apple Watch from the back side. Now, as you can see, there are 1 and 2 release buttons from the back side of your Apple Watch, and what you have to do in order to remove the band from your Apple Watch is hold your fingernail down on one of the release buttons and then carefully move one of the band's ends to the side, either left or right, it doesn't matter. Now proceed by doing the same thing from the other side of your Apple Watch. And now, in order to apply a new band to your Apple Watch, you're gonna have to check these 2 slots for your band and align your band with it. First of all, you're gonna have to check the inside and the outside part of your band. You can easily do it. You can check the size is always on the inner side of your band, so we have to apply it this way. Simply align it with the slot and push it inside until it clicks. Of course, do everything carefully. And I'll do the same thing from the other side. And now it's done. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.